Hello everyone, we live in a very dangerous community. That's why it's very necessary for us to have a proper fence because we have dogs and there is a lot of drugs and a lot of breaking in. So that's why it's necessary for us to have a proper fence. You start by getting a pole and digging a hole. You put your pole inside of your hole and putting cement in it, and then you also fill your hole. Your next step is that you get a plank and make sure it's horizontal, and then you measure it, and then you cut where it's measured. Next step is to cut all the planks the right size. Next step is also to cut it the perfect size. And the next step is you take your plank and you place it vertically against here, and then you make sure it is aligned with the line, and then you drill it down. And now we have a beautiful fence.